Hey everyone, TechOG here, all about tech and travel. And this is going to be an unboxing video of my newly acquired Galaxy Z Fold 4. I just got back from vacation and it was delivered today. I am so excited. Actually, it was supposed to be delivered this week to Tuesday, actually. But I was already on vacation, so I had to stall to get the package. Like I said, got it today. But this unboxing and probably most of my unboxings are gonna be a little bit different. They're gonna be silent unboxings, kind of like the relaxing end videos. But my silent unboxings will be, get this right, Kylo Ren silent unboxings. Enjoy. So there you have it. That was the Galaxy Fold 4 unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Definitely different. I'm going to set this up tonight. Put some apps on here. Going to be using this as my daily computing, daily driver unit. So this is going to be my computer, my phone, my game unit. It's going to be everything all rolled into one. I'm very excited about this. So I'll give you a preview of this unit after I put my apps on, try it out for a couple of days, let you know what I think about it so far. But I do want to tell you that it feels really good in your hands. It's not as heavy as you would think it would be because of the dual layer. Feels really, really nice. It feels basically like holding a note. It's slightly heavier, but not that heavy. So, like I said, we'll give you a full preview after I install stuff, try it out, and definitely I'm going to set it up for classroom purposes because I'm going to be teaching from this device. So when I get back into the classroom next week, I'll give you a preview of using it in the classroom. So for those of you teachers who are interested in getting this, I'll let you know from my teacher standpoint if this is a good buy, especially if you have some good trades. So be on the lookout for those videos. Be on the lookout for my comprehensive review video of this unit, and I'll let you know my total thoughts of this device. So if you enjoyed the unboxing, definitely leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Tell your friends about my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video.